everyone, I'm Shawnee. I'm the reference specialist for Kawartha Lakes Public Library, and today I am going through a mystery box of items. These have come from Woodville Public Library. They are going to be joining our Woodville Community Treasures collection. So let's get started and find out what's inside. Box off. Okay, so we've got a good little pile in here. Local history books. St. Andrew's Presbyterian Church of South Eldon. 100-year history there. What else we've got? Brown envelope full of papers. Looks like inside is a family tree. We'll set that aside. A letter from a lady named Shirley in BC. That's fun. What have we got here? It's a photograph. Carefully pull that out because this is an old photo. An event at the Woodville Public Library. Now I've seen this photograph before. I think we've got something else with it as well. Let's take a look. Oh, yep, here it is. But we don't have any information on the back of this one, so not really sure who's in it. There's a plaque that came with it though. Let's check this other photo. Back we go. And look at that. Lucky us. We got names. So this photo is from 1954. And it's the opening of the new Woodville Public Library. So that was nice. Okay, we've got a box full of papers. Tied with string, envelopes, pictures, more envelopes. Oh wow, looks like letters and notes. An old check receipt. That's fun. Wow, hydroelectric, $6.25 in 1961. Wow. That's cheap. That's some cheap hydro. There's a whole bunch of things in here, and we've got plenty to go through, sort out, scan, and label. And otherwise just add to the collection. A whole bunch of paperwork. So that's all today for our Throwback Thursday. But just so you know, we'll be back with more interesting things and just whatever else we can find hanging out in the collection. Ooh, what's this? Woodville, Backstreet, new from smokestack at Stoddart's factory around 1940. So this is taken from the, I guess from the smokestack of the casket factory around 1940. So any photos we have, we will scan and add to the collection. Documents, depending on their year, we'll hang on to them for a bit. If they're too new, we can't post them because legislation says we can't. But anything decently old enough could show up in our collection in our digital archive anytime soon. Oh, the Woodville Women's Institute calendar from 1984. Published by Blewett Printing. So it looks like it's got a bunch of etchings of main buildings. So Knox Presbyterian Church, Town Hall, Much Tailor Shop, that's nice. So how these collections work is that they build up our overall history of our various communities around Kawartha Lakes. Now a lot of our collections regarding communities are very small, so this will expand Woodville's and the surrounding area in the old township of Eldon's collection very, very nicely. We are always lacking in photos of past and present events, places, people, just general things around Kawartha Lakes. So if you're interested in donating copies to our collection, we'd be happy to have them, and we would love to build other community treasures collections. If you're interested, you can send information to Lindsay Library at kawarthalakeslibrary.ca. We accept photos, videos, items, documents, You name it, we will generally accept it when it comes to reference collections. You can also send it to us through Facebook, so you can look us up on Facebook at Kawartha Lakes Public Library, and on Instagram and Twitter we are at Kawartha Library. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you next week.